everyone. Welcome to my mother's channel. Here, Mommy will show you how to bake simple and yummy pastries right from your kitchen. She has been baking for years, and her recipes are not only easy to follow, but also guaranteed to make your taste buds happy. On this channel, we'll share fun, quick, and tasty ideas for treats you can enjoy with your family and friends. Definitely no fancy equipment needed, just a love for delicious pastries, from muffins to cookies and everything in between. We promise you always have something sweet to look forward to. So if you're ready to bake, learn, and eat, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Let's make baking fun and delicious together. Karibu sana, karibu Kitty, and karibu to Mama's Sweet Pastries. Bye bye.